What? So anyways, that's what I am for this morning. I'll see what Jennifer was. She weighed herself earlier when she got up. We'll have to ask her. A little snuggle bug when I went to sleep. I think the rainstorm is just over us, because everywhere else it looks pretty sunny. Because I think we got the bad part of it. Anyways, we're going for Audrey's, I guess, her 6-month appointment, right? Yeah. Going to get Audrey her shots, follow up on her shots and some other stuff. A rainy day today. Today I'm going to drop Jennifer off at work and Audrey at my mom's to head down south for my doctor's appointment. So luckily it doesn't look rainy over the Grapevine. That's a good thing. So it looks kind of nice and decent. So I think we should be all right over the hill. What did you weigh yourself today?
146.
I was 195.6. Alright, you made it. Let's go get your shot, pretty girl. You ready for that? You're not ready, huh? Good morning. Good morning, pretty. You got diapers in that bag now?
Yeah.
Good morning. You got a happy face now, but it won't be in a minute.
Here's a big girl. What's that?
Look at that's how tall you are.
Oh, big girl. What's a big girl? Yeah, you did good job.
Good job, pretty.
You did good job.
Let's get you dressed now.
You did good job. You did good job, son. Grandma.
That's my baby.
You ready to go see Grandma?
That wasn't too bad.
Her's gonna baby you all day. Her's gonna baby you all day. Yeah, she knows. She knows you're sad.
Alright, so we're all done with the doctor's office. Audrey did good there. She had a little shots done today. She had 1 shot done today. And she did alright. She cried for a little bit and then she was done with it. She was over it. So good job for Audrey. But the rain had stopped, so we were there about an hour and a half inside the office, but the rain has stopped now and the sky is clear blue. But we're going to head to take Mom to work and then go to we're gonna head to take Mom to work and then go to Grandma's house and then head down to LA. That turtle's quick. I had to come home real quick with the dogs out before I head off to LA. But I dropped Audrey off at Grandma's. She's there. I'm just gonna let these dogs out for a little bit, let them go poop, and put them back. So I'm hoping over the pass it's okay. It's not too bad. I had to go home with the dogs out, make sure they didn't use the restroom in the house. Since I left a little later than usual, right now I leave at about 12 o'clock, 12:30. So it takes about 2.5 hours to get down there, and I hope I don't have any trouble going over the pass with weather and traffic as well. So let's get on our way. Not so lucky. It's coming down. Not so lucky. It's coming down a little bit. Not too bad, but we're getting through it. The girl in front of me is driving so slow, and she has no brake lights. Alright, so we got all done with the doctor's appointment. I'm gonna head back home now, just to come down here and get back. I can't believe how miserable it is out here. These streets are flooded right here in the gutters. They got technicians. They got technicians out here trying to get the cable, I guess, water, sewer, everything online again from the rain. But let's see how deep it is right here. You can see this right now. It's crazy. Cars are flooded right here. Whole curbside is just flooded. Crazy California weather. Rain and traffic. Woo, it's gonna be killer. Trying to get back home. Just gotta be safe. And doing this is probably not helping. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off for the day until I get back into town. But yeah, look at this. Pretty good steep grade. I think it's like 5 or 7% grade. And this is what happens sometimes. Smoking the brakes. Need to learn how to downshift or get that engine brake on. So this side of the hill, it's kind of nice, not too bad. You know, I left, it was cloudy and raining. I guess all that weather went down south, and now it's nice and sunny. I think I'm gonna head over to the house and let the dogs back out again. It's been about 4 hours now, 4.5 hours by the time I get there, maybe 5. So, and by the time I get home, it'll be 6 o'clock with Jennifer. So I might as well go home and let them out first, then head over to Grandma's. I'm kind of hungry now, but I'm gonna wait for Jennifer, so I'm gonna give me some iced coffee, medium roast, Starbucks style, unsweetened, but I put a little bit of this syrup in it, and then I put a little bit of half and half milk with it, just a little half a shot of this or something, because I do like my stuff sweet. So for me to have my coffee, it's got to be kind of sweet. That's what I'm gonna have right now, and then we're gonna go to my mom's house and get baby Audrey. I think the kids might be there, but their mom might pick them up sooner, so we might get them, we might not. Let's go find out though.
Baby! Hi there! Did you have fun today at Grandma's?
She said she did good at Grandma's.
Did you do good? You did good? Hi, you're still in jammies. I see.
Anyways.
You're still in jammies.
So, Audrey's picked up, Mom's picked up.
Hi.
We're gonna go get some coffee.
Coffee?
No, I had a cup from the house. The Starbucks regular medium brew. Unsweetened. Yeah, where to? You gotta go nowhere?
No.
So home it is.
Hi.
Alright, so we just made it home. Ooh, stuff's all over the lens. So Audrey's getting ready for bed right now, but we're going to change her real quick and get her pictures. So we'll be doing her chalkboard now. So she's getting ready, kind of changing her into a little decent outfit, and then she's going to get a bedtime story and say her prayers and then go to sleep, and then me and Jennifer are going to do a 21-day fix. I don't know if we'll do the whole 20-30 minutes of it, where our bodies are pretty sore, our legs are sore, tired, my abs are pretty sore, but we're going to do something tonight too, and to keep on going. It'll be day 2, not too bad. But first, let's get Audrey's picture taken in front of her little chalkboard in her room. mess. It is a mess. This thing's so funny. I like this thing.
Here, sweetheart. I'm going to tell you some of your favorite nursery rhymes. Let's start off with Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sweet dreams, my darling. Good night.
All right, so here we go. Here's Audrey's chalkboard. She smudged it a little bit, but that's okay. It'll be fine. Hi, pretty. Look at your friends. Get your sheep, your doggy, your elephant, your poo. Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty baby.
Baby, no.
Look at Audrey.
Audrey.
Hi. Oh my goodness, baby. Look at that. She said no more of that. So I don't like my chalkboards. What's going to go on next month's baby? Audrey.
Baby.
Baby.
Look at your hands. Oh.
Woo-wee. That's on your mama now.
Look at your hands.
Hi. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, Audrey, you're in trouble.
Baby.
In trouble. All right, so we're done with that photo. Now we're gonna get ready to do our little exercise. Well, we're not gonna eat tonight, I guess.
I don't know, something.
Salad.
Cereal.
Half a salad.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal sounds good. We got fruit. We get some fruit. Maybe we'll make a smoothie or a fruit or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and change. That way, I think working out in boots is gonna be a little rough. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that and do something different.
Make sure your palm faces the ground.
All right, so day 2, we're gonna get into this upper body. Little stretches. Jennifer already started without me.
Making sure that you're keeping your legs straight. That way you feel the stretch in your
But
hamstrings.
my legs are sore from yesterday.
Take the booty back. Last one. Excellent. From the top. Jog it out. Come on. Heels up. Pick the pace up. Just
So let's get this over with. Call it a night.
Hands are just a little wider than shoulders where they're going to come up onto those toes. Abs in. And lower down. And press up.
So
Everybody
she didn't last. We're gonna have to pause this tape, and she's ready for bed. You can see her eyes closed. So we'll be back. All right, done with that. My goodness, that's rough. Like I said, I cannot do a push-up. I do a girl push-up. I couldn't even do one single push-up, so that's pretty rough on me. Partly my shoulder, partly just out of shape. But we did a good job today. I'm pretty proud of us. 2 days in a row. Let's keep on going for 3 days. Next, tomorrow, 3rd day. Even if it's not even the full video, we're gonna do something of it at least. But so far, we're not making it through the full videos. We have to take a rest. We take a knee, and we're stopping, here and there. So obviously we're not up to par. But hopefully the next day we'll just get better and better, and that's our whole plan. So right now we're gonna do some dinner. Maybe make some fruit, like a little fruit salad or something. I'm not too sure. We got some oranges, got some apples. Maybe have a little quick. We could probably share this. Oh, he took the salad. We got a bag salad down here though. Maybe we can share that bag salad with some fruit, and then some. Put a little bit of leftover chicken on it as well. But it's late right now, so we're just gonna hurry up and hit that through, get some showers done, and get to bed. But I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button for daily videos, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.